Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn about how we can create any app for child. Okay. So basically, this is blog based app creation. What I will do, I'm going to show you how you can use the platform in Google. We need to just search for Thunkable. So Thunkable is the platform for the app creation, and this is like our blog based code. Like here we are not going to write any kind of code. This is blog based coding for the child. So the next question, who can learn this? So if your child is in grade 1 till grade 10 or 12, so he or she can learn this. Okay, it's very simple. I'm going to provide you the app link also and the platform link in the description box. So you need to just check it. It's very simple. We have to just click on create app without coding. Okay. So this is like turn your idea into an app. Over here, whatever app you want, you can just describe. So it will give you some template, but we want to create our own project, like everything we have to create step by step. So it's very simple. You need to first press on login, sign in with Google. You have to just select your Gmail ID and then just press on continue button so that you are able to create a new project. Okay. So the thing is like you can create only some projects like for your free account you have to like you can create just 3 projects over here, but once you will learn the entire app development then you can pay. The pay is very we can say very easy and it's a very minimum amount, but no need to pay because you have a free 3 options, so you can try for that. Like you created one app, okay, then what you can do next time, you can delete that app and you can try to create the new one. So like that you are able to learn it. Okay, so it's very simple. Let me refresh it. So you have to little bit scroll down over here, then you will get create a blank project. Like no need to describe over here, we will just click on create blank project. The next question is something like what you want to create, like what is your idea. Suppose I want to create one project which is what will happen if I will run that app. I will get one page. In that page it will just ask me click you have to capture the photo, so I will just click on camera will capture my photo. Then with the help of image recognizer we are going to recognize what is this image all about. Okay, so it's very basic project. So suppose I wanted to write my project name is, for example, guess who. uh, or camera recognizer will guess what is this picture all about. Okay, so this is our project name. That we need to select the category. It means whatever app you wanted to create, that app belongs to which category. Suppose I'm just creating this one for the education purpose, and then you have to uncheck this one because if we want drag and drop builder facility, so for that we need to uncheck this. So this 3 thing you need to remember: write your project name, select your category, and you need to uncheck it, and then just press on create button. So this 3 thing you have to put while creating your app. So once you will click on create button, it will create a blank project. Okay, so first we are going to click on this arrow because we want to access the entire feature of this website. So just click here because that is just a tutorial. If you want it again, just click here. Okay, or else just click on this arrow key. So as you can see, this is the Thunkable platform. This over here, you will get one screen. So in this screen, we are going to just drag and drop the components. Like what component we want, we are going to just drag and drop it. Over here, this is your properties window. Like for example, you want to change a background color, you want to attach some pictures that you can add from this window. Okay. So for our project, what we want, how many components we want. Okay, it's very simple. First, we will require labels. Why we will require the label? Because whatever image recognizer will predict, okay, that prediction we are going to show in text format. So that text format we will add in the label. Okay. We will require two label. One is for percentage. What is the correct percentage? The second label is for the entire line. What image recognizer will say about that image. Okay. After that, we will require image because whatever camera will capture the photo, that photo we are going to show inside this image. So we need to take this image. After after taking this image, we will require to add buttons. Like if I will click on button, my camera will open, camera will capture the photo. That photo we are going to show here. Okay. And our image recognizer will predict something. So we can rename the button. Suppose I wanted to just write click me. Okay. Then suppose if you want to change a background color of your button, see, suppose you want to change the entire screen background color. So everything is possible here. So this is something like you need to make your app so beautiful so that other people will like your projects. Okay. So we added these four components, one button, one image, two labels. Okay. Then we will require the camera. So you have to just search for camera. You will get it. So try to add your camera here. Select a screen in the component tree to preview it here. So we will select screen one. After camera, we will require image recognizer. So this is the image recognizer. So see total we added six components. Button, image, two labels, camera, image recognizer. So this is the first part that we did in this project. Okay. Now let's start the second project. So second part, sorry. So second part is something like the blocks, how we will add our algorithm, how we will place the instructions. You can see this is the design. This one is the block. Okay. So what is our project algorithm? We need to first click on the button, like click me. So what is the button? This one, right? So click on this button. You need to drag and drop it here like this. Like click on the button, drag and drop it here. So this is like when button is click, what we are going to do? We will open the camera. So you have to click on camera. It will just open it. So what functions camera will do? Camera will take a photo. It will give you this three thing. One photo, the cancel button, or if you will get any kind of error. Now suppose camera is captured the photo. Now what we are going to do, we will call our image recognizer. So it will recognize our image. But what image it will recognize? So whatever photo, whatever camera will give you the photo that we are going to add. So it means camera will capture this photo and this photo we are passing inside image recognizer so that image recognizer will recognize our image. Now After this image, once this image recognizer will take this image, it will give you this following result. One, it will show you the tag. One, it will show you the description. One, it will show you the confidence level, and one is error. So we want this description and the confidence level inside our labels. If you remember, we added the label. So it's very simple. We need to click on the label. We need to set our label text. First, we want to add the description. Okay. Then the second thing, what we want, we will take our second label. In the second label, we will add what is the confidence level. So as you can see, we added this code. It's very simple. When we will click on button, we will call the image recognizer. Image recognize, like we will just open the camera. Camera will capture the photo. It will provide this three output. Now we will call the image recognizer. Image recognizer will recognize your image. It will give you this following result, and this result we are going to print in the labels. If you want to show your image, so take this image, set image, and take the photo. So if you remember, we added this image. So in that inside this image also, you will get your photo. So it's time to test our project. It's very simple. Just press on this live test. Now see, we are getting click me, label, label. Suppose I will just click on click me. Now what will happen? Camera will open. Camera will capture my photo. So let me click here. You need to click on allow while visiting the site. As you can see, camera clicked my photo, and what result it is? It is, as you can see, 93% correct. A man wearing sunglasses posing for the camera. So it's very correct answer. Let me try for another one. Suppose I will take my mobile phone and I will try to talk and see what things you will get. Okay, it's very simple. Let me click. See, this is my second image. A man wearing glasses talking on cell phone. This is also correct answer. Suppose now you can take a different object. Suppose now I will take my water bottle. I will try to drink. Oh, it's like taking a selfie. So suppose let me try to drink a water as well. Okay. So in this way you can try for different object and really it will work. Okay. It will work. It's very simple project. You have to first log in with your Gmail ID so that you will get three project limit. So three project is very enough place and this is freely available so you can practice more and more. Okay. So it's very simple. Try to add this four component. Click me is your button. This is your image to label and we will require two more component which is camera and image recognizer. Then just go to the block. We need to add this algorithm. When we will click on camera, camera will take a photo. It will give you this following result. Then we will call the image recognizer. You can set your image, whatever photo you captured. Then we will call our image recognizer. It will take the photo as this input. So you will get a confusion from where you will get this photo. It's very simple. You need to take it from here and attach it here. Okay. Then you will get this following result like tag, description, confidence level, error. These things we are going to print in the labels. Okay. So this is all about Guess Who project. It's very simple project. Please try it. I'm going to provide you the project link as well as platform link in the description box so that you can try I'm going to make a lots of video in the app development. This is the first project which we did in the how to create the app, but within a 2 to 3 days I'm going to upload lots of videos, so you can check all the videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.